notebook I have is read will next start. Do you have the willpower of overcome? क्या आप जानते हैं इच्छा शक्ति का ही परिणाम आज जो हमारे सामने दिख रहा है इच्छा शक्ति का ही परिणाम है, ठीक है। Whatever you want in life you can have. That is not advertisement pitch to gaming. That's the truth. What you want you have the ability to make it happen. If it's money you can make a ton of it. If it is a frame you can make the happen as well. Whatever it is, your name it and it is your for the taking. However, life has a natural checkpoint, the guide the path of the desire, and it is called testing. Life has a natural built-in system. They vet out the people who are well deserving of those desire, whereas don't just making a lot goal without any intention plan excited the text of life will the determination factor determination dharya. Okay, let's look at the money example from above. If you want to make a ton of money, life will test you will to see if you are really committed to this. Life will test to see if you are willing to arrive early to work and be the last to have. Life will see if you are willing to live a strict budget in order to get out of debate. Life will take note to see whether you are living within your means. Life will something even though in at time you will find yourself getting the promotion at work and additional income. While that is aviation, life is closely watching to see if you forfeit your desire to become wealthy to spreading money and necessity with the extra money you have. Life will determine if you are serious about success or not. Okay, you will to achieve something determine how far you go. Ask the celebrity that had to work for what they have today. Most of them will tell what in this time I have been speaking but you do not understand. English medium student only has been studying my lecture. Hindi medium student, please what meaning that is very important. Please what meaning that is very much important for learning English. Thank you. Had much stay back and denial. However, they keep believing in the dream of preserve. One of my all-time favorite success story in Link Johnson would tell has a story like he grew up in one bedroom home with 40 people who would often sleep on the floor and roach and rat. His uncle would be in will never have to live in has die again. When his mother would come to pick up from Sprite and backpedal drill with the purpose of making it is Nepal, so his mother would determine to make it is final. He worked so hard that he got after full scholarship to the University of. When he played football, he was came away from big drop. Unfortunately, in his football career in a track with recover, depressing and horrible design, would always ask his doctor, when can I play football again? Thank you so much. Do you have welcome of outcome? इस समय जो हमारे पास है वो इच्छा शक्ति का ही परिणाम. Big dream, big work hard, big decision, life can change. Thank you.